Good morning all, CamelbackTrading.org coming to you this Tuesday morning, October 10th. We are looking at Window Trader's market profile of the ESNENQ. So after another double distribution day yesterday to the upside, we have spent the entire overnight in the upper distribution or above it, as you can see in ES and NQ. Righty, for the most part also, though they dipped a little bit into their single prints from yesterday. So the market, which is trying to turn itself around, again, is continuing to do so this morning. We're back in balance on the weekly. We're up on the daily for all three of us. We're still down on the monthly. NQ still has an inside month. However, they're still down on the monthly. Their weekly you could actually call up if you'd like. So bulls are trying to wrestle control. So early again today, the most positive response for bulls would be to open in the upper distribution or above. So we'll see if we're able to do that. We'll see if we hold yesterday's trend day. We don't have much out today, but tomorrow you do have Fed minutes, and then Thursday you have CPI. So we'll see how much they'll try to extend themselves prior to those useless numbers and minutes coming out. As far as the game plan for this morning, well, again, depending on where the overnight high is and overnight low, we love front running them in the ES. Okay, so that's something you could do. Certainly, yesterday's high isn't important to me because, again, we're already up in the daily and the weekly came into balance. So the overnight high is more important. The overnight low is certainly important here also. Again, why? Because if you take out the overnight low and not the overnight high, the odds of this trend day from yesterday holding is slim. Right? The odds go up tremendously that you'll end up getting maybe higher value to overlap in a higher or unchanged and take back the trend day. Now, another thing, yesterday we said is the first day in probably a month we had unchanged value. So that's actually going to help bulls this morning if we stay up here. Because if we stay up here, value was never pulled up. That would mean we'd be opening with higher value again right off the bat. So again, those are just two early things to make note of as the day is going to start. And then on the chart, so the weekly, again, it's not an all clear signal because we took out two weekly highs and we're trying to get into this upper balance. That's not how it works. All right, I'm sure you'll have people out there now screaming Santa Claus rally and the lows are in. Right, we got to take things, you know how I like using baby steps. So that's what we'll continue to do. But so far, it's a positive move here. As look at these highs here that failed. Right, this is why it's not an all clear signal. Look at how after, we came down, we rallied, tried to go up, right? And what happened? We made new lows on the year last year. Okay, so again, we need more acceptance into this balance up here on the weekly and the daily for now, firmly up. It would be nice to try to get over the 20-day moving average, which closed yesterday at 433.65. So it will be lower this morning. So if we have any upward movement, we should at least attempt to get over it. See how it plays out. Thanks for the likes and subscribing. Good luck trading today. And we'll recap at 4 p.m.